Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome back to another episode of Hong Kong Insurance 101. My apologies for the lack of a video last week. I was on leave. With the new wave of the COVID-19 coronavirus impacting many countries across the world and travel restrictions reappearing, which could mean a long quarantine upon your return to Hong Kong, if you're even able to make it back, many Christmas traditions and plans are being put on hold this year. Due to this, people are spending more time with their family over the Christmas holidays. They will also be spending more on gifts. 2020, despite all its drama, was a fairly dull year, what with all the staying at home and social restrictions. So people will be getting their excitement through gift giving this winter. From engagement rings, new pieces of art for your collection, new phones, new TVs, and even new video game systems. Experts are predicting a surge in consumer spending this holiday season. This means it's pretty likely you're going to have at least some new stuff in your home over the next few weeks, and some of those items could be pretty expensive. So, what's the best way to protect new additions to your home after Christmas? The very simple answer is home contents insurance. Standard Hong Kong home insurance products will offer between $250,000 to $500,000 in cover to the policyholder, with individual item limits ranging from 10,000 Hong Kong dollars to 50,000 Hong Kong dollars, depending on the policy you choose to purchase and the insurer you choose to purchase it from. For less expensive gifts or purchases like a new phone or a next generation video game console like the PS5, coverage is amply provided by the standard policy options. However, with the type of year we've seen in 2020, it may be possible that individuals are going to splurge a little bit more this Christmas. Expensive pieces of art, new jewelry for the wife, possibly even an engagement ring for your girlfriend. Trends suggest this Christmas is going to be big. If you don't have any home insurance coverage, but you're thinking of treating yourself to something nice this Christmas, and because of that, you're starting to think about home insurance, then getting a policy is actually really simple. If you have between 250,000 to 500,000 Hong Kong dollars worth of possessions in your home, simply submit an application to your choice of insurance company and plan. After you pay the premium, you will have protection against accidental loss or damage of your items while inside your home. If you opt to purchase a policy with worldwide all risks coverage, then you are protected against accidental loss or damage of your personal possessions anywhere in the world up to the specified policy limits. Unfortunately, in the case of jewelry, a single ring could actually far exceed the overall benefits of the policy. For example, if you were thinking about buying a piece of jewelry for Christmas worth about 500,000 Hong Kong dollars, but your policy limit is 500,000 Hong Kong dollars, then that one item, from an insurance perspective, is worth more than the rest of your home contents put together, which, in the case of an engagement ring, could very realistically be the case. Also remember that standard home contents insurance plans have defined coverage limits available to each individual item in your possession. A $500,000 ring is not going to get a great amount of protection on a Hong Kong contents insurance policy with an individual item limit of $10,000. This then raises the question of nominating specific items for coverage under a home contents policy. This is not typically available with lower limit policies, but enables the insurer to correctly cover any item in its home up to the agreed value. In the case of newly acquired Christmas jewelry, you would contact your insurer to update your policy once the item is in your possession. If you are purchasing a new policy to cover this item, then be sure to explain that to the insurance representative you are dealing with. If you purchase the ring for $500,000, then simply retain your receipts and ask the insurer for a quote including the adjustment for placing the ring on the policy. It is important to note that this could actually increase your overall premium, with higher value items requiring a larger premium adjustment to successfully insure them. Once the insurer has agreed to cover the ring, with the value of the ring being agreed by you and the insurance company, the ring will now be protected under the policy up to the standard terms, limits, and conditions. That's us for this week. We hope you have a happy and healthy weekend. Remember to like and subscribe to stay current with all our content as it comes out. And don't forget to ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.